Greetings people, tonight we're going to put a page plugin onto a WordPress website. So the first thing you have to do is go to Facebook Developers, and it's under developers facebook.com docs plugin, page plugin. I'll leave a link below this video because it's not easy to find anymore. So the first thing you need to do, we're in page plugins. Facebook's got their plugin set up. We want to put ours. So click on that. Just there, your main, to make sure you get the right URL. And we need to grab that URL there. Go back to plugins. Whoops, wrong spot. You don't need to see that. We'll lift that up. Going to drop that in there. Paste. And just left click on it, and your page will come up. As you can see, it's got the timeline. If you want the timeline, that's fine. If you don't want the timeline, just remove timeline like that, bang, and then click on the page again, and it's gone. So we get the code. There's two codes. They've got to go in two different sections. One goes into the body tag, so you will need to grab hold of the header footer plugin on WordPress. So let's go to WordPress. So go to headers and footers and insert that one by WP Beginner. And well, I've already installed it, so I'll go to plugins, and I just need to activate it. It should be in settings. Yep. Get that? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we grabbed that code, that drum, and that's the Facebook code, and we've dropped that into. That's the head. That's the footer. We're putting it in the footer. Click save, and that's it. Okay, we'll go back to the next section of that plugin, which is place this wherever you want the plugin to appear. So you can put it on your sidebar, or in the footer of your website, or anywhere really, anywhere where there's a HTML code. So anywhere on your website. So we go to customize. I don't have a sidebar on this, but I can still show you how it's done. I'm going to put it in. I've only got footer section, so I'll put it in footer 2. So look for add a widget and look for the HTML code, custom HTML, and just drop that there. Just click on it, done, publish, and there it is, bang, and we're finished. As easy as that. I hope it helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.